Laundry soap bars empire. How to start your own business. Exploring the potential of laundry soap bars as a business opportunity. Have you ever considered diving into entrepreneurship? It might come as a surprise, but the market for laundry soap bars is ripe with opportunities for aspiring business owners and startups. In this video, we are going to uncover why venturing into the world of soap bars could be your next big move, with NPCS offering comprehensive support for your entrepreneurial journey in the soap manufacturing sector. Unlocking opportunities in laundry soap bar manufacturing, an entrepreneur's guide. Why should entrepreneurs eye the laundry soap bar manufacturing industry? For starters, laundry soap is an essential commodity, securing a constant demand and a loyal customer base. With the growing trend towards sustainable and eco-friendly products, tapping into the market with natural and artisanal soap bars can appeal to a niche yet expanding audience. Moreover, initiating a soap bar business requires significantly lower investment compared to other manufacturing ventures, presenting an accessible entry point for newcomers. The appeal of laundry soap bars, unpacking the benefits. Laundry soap bars are not just a nod to nostalgia, they're gaining momentum among eco-conscious consumers and those seeking natural cleaning alternatives. With lower production and operational costs than their liquid counterparts, soap bars represent a financially viable business model for startups. The opportunity for creativity is vast, from developing unique formulations to incorporating aromatherapeutic scents and addressing specific dermatological needs. The advantages of setting up a laundry soap bar business. Manufacturing laundry soap bars not only supports environmental stewardship through reduced packaging and sustainable production practices but also aligns with the growing consumer preference for eco-friendly products. The process is less resource-intensive, further underscoring the business's sustainability. Entrepreneurs can thus cater to a market that values both ecological responsibility and product effectiveness. Starting your laundry soap manufacturing venture, from concept to profit. Embark on an exciting manufacturing journey with our consultancy on starting a laundry soap bar business. Ideal for both budding and experienced entrepreneurs, our project report covers the essentials from financial planning, with a project cost of approximately $78,000 and machinery expenses of around $32,000 to navigating the market landscape. Seize this opportunity to carve out a niche in the manufacturing industry and lead a successful laundry soap bar enterprise. Conclusion. Entering the laundry soap bar manufacturing space is a promising path in the burgeoning home care industry. Success will depend on a thorough understanding of market dynamics, commitment to quality, and strategic distribution efforts. With the right approach, this venture can yield substantial rewards and contribute to a greener, more sustainable future.